Hey, I'm Robert, and Oconee Smart Homes exists to make real homes more convenient, accessible, and safe through smart home technology. We serve homeowners right here in Oconee County, Georgia, but this channel is for anyone who wants a simpler, smarter home. Building a smart home can feel overwhelming. There are so many devices, platforms, and opinions out there. Our goal? To make it easier by offering our experience, expertise, and honest advice. So what are the key things you need to know when setting up a smart home in 2025? Number one, have a plan. Too many people start by grabbing a few smart bulbs or plugs here and there. They lack a cohesive plan. We recommend a full planning session so you understand your needs and goals, what you actually want the tech to do in your home. Number two, pick a platform. Your smart home should be seamless and well integrated with a single interface and voice assistant. You don't want to run 5 different apps. Pick the right platform based on your home, your goals, and what devices are supported. We'll help you make the right decision. Number three, know your users. Unless you live alone, others will be using your smart home too. Spouse, kids, guests. If it's too complex, they'll hate it. Let's help them love it by designing a smart home that is invisible and offers intuitive controls to everyone without being a techno wizard. Here's a tip. Use smart switches with physical controls. Everyone can use them, and you'll be able to use any light fixture that fits the design of your home. Invisible and intuitive, just the way we like it. Number four, prioritize local control. Cloud-based devices are fine until the internet goes down or a company shuts down your gear. We prioritize products with local control to enhance security and reliability and offer future-proofing. This doesn't mean you should never use the cloud, but devices with local control mitigate the risks of growing subscription costs, data privacy issues, and manufacturers going out of business or changing their business model. Looking at you, Wemo. And number five, build a solid home network. Your network is the foundation of your smart home. You don't need to be a tech genius, but solid Wi-Fi, good DNS, and support for mesh protocols like Thread will allow you to build a rock-solid smart home. It's worth doing right the first time. So whether you're just starting out or want to level up your setup, we're here to help. Follow along for honest reviews, real-world installs, and tips to build a smarter home. This is Oconee Smart Homes. Thoughtful planning, simple automation, local service.